Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. And so today we're playing some Roblox Greenville. And yes, it's your bacon boy right here. It's that bacon boy, I think. Yeah, that bacon boy. Anyway, so this is Roblox. So this is Roblox Greenville. Most people should know this game. Most people play this. A whole bunch of people play this game. I'm actually playing the version that was before the revamp happened. Before all that revamp happened and all that other stuff dropped. So this is the version before the revamp. But I'll leave a link to this version in the description and the actual version that has updates. This version is no longer being updated, so yeah. Okay, so anyways, what car did I get, guys? Let's get a minivan. I know, actually, it's gonna be cool. I'll get the sunflower. I hope this thing works for me. I hope the sunflower fire works for me. Okay, so for really, man. Okay, so first let's go get a house and maybe get into a roleplay or something. Yeah, I'll open up Subway. How about that? Okay, so I'll go. Oh god, oh god! I was looking out my window. When I come back, unless it's me going across the road. ABC4 Dad. How about that? Hello. Okay, this is max speed for the thing. 95 miles per hour. It's the speeder for this 1998, I think. Sunfire or sunflower. I don't know for sure. Yeah, okay, good. They're coming. My father, my daughter's coming. Whoa! I'm over here pressing random buttons. I can't concentrate. Also, guys, I'm playing this on a school computer too, as a thing, so that's why it's not going to be that good of quality and all that. I got this little school computer for free. Let me find the person. I think here. Soccer. Okay. Guys, I am not ready for this. You know that? I have this stupid I should have had a truck or something. I was a super witch, not Subway. Oh god, I forgot. I'm in default. Oh, oof. Wow. They said, she said, call me daddy, yeah. She said, Carter. She said, I'll call your daddy, playing with hater, daddy, yeah, daddy, oh, baby. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna sit here and wait. ABC for a ABC for a BF for a bacon. ABC for a bacon. ABC for wow, 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 wow. I'm bouncing on the car's tires, so I can bounce on this tire right here. No, I can't bounce on this one, right? What? Okay. ABC for huh? ABC for a son. ABC for anything. ABC for anything. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. These people are crazy. The chat's going crazy, y'all. Are y'all seeing this right now? Wow, Jake. Wow, Jake. Okay. You know what? Nobody wants to play. Fresh start. We're back with another. Finally. Okay. Okay, let's see here. ABC for a son. ABC for a son. For a boy. For bacon. Let's go bacon, bro. Okay, guys, before you even say I'm stupid, Bacon Army, we must team up. We are the Bacon Army. We must take down all the new players that do not have bacon skins. You understand? We must overpower them. And yes, we have already done it, but we need to be stronger. So once we hit 100 subs, we will start Bacon will start raiding servers. And right now, I just want you right here. I choose you, Pikachu, to become the world's best bacon. ABC for some. Ah, ABC. No, you're not. No. How you thought? Actually, hold on, wait. I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell it so I can get the truck. Yes, I will. If I sell it, I will get money if I sell it, right? Okay, hold up. They need to add motorcycles or four wheels or dirt bikes in this game. You know that? Okay, guys. I guess we're just going to roleplay by ourselves. Roleplay? I don't know what the roleplay as. I just want to roleplay is what I really think. Watch. Okay. I gotta go to Joe's collision restoration. College Joe's. College Joe's. College Joe's. What do y'all have there? Do you have lift kits? Do you have lift kits? You have lift kit. I'm asking you if they have lift kit for this older shorty. What? Hey, hold up. Oh my god, being chased by them. Oh my god, this ambulance. Alright. Run you. No. What's going on here? Oh. Whoa. Hello. Hello. I called. I called. I called. Okay. Okay, so it's a car. Ah, wait! How do you turn? It's a car. It's a car. Oh my god! Suspension is balancing our drive. And check engine light is always. And check engine light is always on. And check engine light is always on.
What do you want to drink? Milk or juice?
Milk! And check engine light. A little bit more tight and higher. A little more tight. It's old. It's from 1998. It's old. It's from 1998.
Come on, Noah.
Wait!
No.
Yeah, I have it in the video. There will be. Yeah, I have it in the video. First, I'm gonna do this and then I'll. Here. All right. Like I'm AFK. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time and